Another incident of cloudburst has been reported from Uttarakhand. A cloudburst struck Chamoli district of Uttarakhand late Friday night, causing extensive damage across the region. This is in fact the big news that we're tracking at the moment. Cloudburst wreaks havoc in Uttarakhand. Severe flooding has been reported in Tharali and Chamoli. 2 people in fact went missing after heavy rain led to flooding in Tharali town of Chamoli district. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami is monitoring the situation closely. The Tharali-Gwaldam road was hit hard as large amounts of debris swept through homes and other buildings. Several vehicles parked at the Tehsil complex. They are also buried under the debris. Debris turned the town's streets into temporary ponds.
थराली में रात में अतिवृष्टि से जो है थराली शहर हो गया, तहसील परिसर हो गया, आगवाड़ा गांव के चेपड़ो हो गया, आसपास के इलाकों में काफ़ी अतिवृष्टि हुई, काफ़ी जो नुकसान हुआ है। और मलबा आने से जो है एक कविता नाम की महिला जो है 20 साल की दब गई है वहाँ पे महिला, और एक व्यक्ति गंगा जोशी जो है चेपड़ों में लापता है, 72 साल की एज है। रात में ही हम लोगों ने मूव करा दिया था, DRF की टीम थी, SDRF की टीम थी, DDRF की हमारी टीम थी, मूव करा दिया था क्योंकि रास्ता के ये ब्लॉक हो गया है और इसलिए जो है बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है लोगों को। और बाकी तहसील के स्टाफ जो है, प्रशासन जो है वहाँ लगा हुआ है राहत कार्य में। इसके अलावा हम लोगों ने रिलीफ कैंप बनाए हैं। SJVN का जो है ये कुसारी में जो है इनका परिसर है, इसमें जो हम लोगों ने रिलीफ कैंप बनाया। यहाँ पर लोगों की भोजन व्यवस्था, ठहरने व्यवस्था की जा रही है। इसके अलावा देवाल में भी जो है जो DMVN का जो है गेस्ट हाउस उनका है, वहाँ पे भी हम लोग जो है रिलीफ कैंप बना रहे हैं। जिलाधिकारी महोदय अर्ली मॉर्निंग निकल चुके हैं वहाँ के मौके के लिए, पहुँच चुके हैं वहाँ पे।
Cloudburst has hit Uttarakhand's Chamoli district. 2 people have been feared missing. In fact, still no confirmation on the number of casualties, and we're not going to speculate as well. But what we've been given to understand is that 2 people are feared missing after a cloudburst hit Uttarakhand's Chamoli district, causing debris to sweep through homes and buildings. Whatever in fact came in its way, the floods swept it through. This is in fact, these are the breaking developments. They're coming in from Uttarakhand. A massive cloudburst has struck Chamoli district, particularly in the Tharali district. Overnight rains triggered flash floods, leaving behind scenes of devastation, as you can see right on your screens. Several homes, markets, even office buildings, trees, whatever came in its way, they in fact have been buried now under the debris. Vehicles washed away, roads blocked, connectivity snapped in several areas. At least 2 people are feared missing, one in Sagwara village and another in the Chepdon market area. Rescue operations ongoing in full swing. NDRF and SDRF teams on the ground, but the terrain and weather making the task extremely difficult. The IMD, viewers, has meanwhile issued an orange alert warning of more heavy rain in Chamoli and adjoining districts. We'll of course keep tracking this developing story very closely, but as the IMD alert goes, it looks like that it's the people of Uttarakhand, particularly Chamoli district, are not going to heave a sigh of relief as the orange alert continues to be in place. Another incident of cloudburst there reported from Uttarakhand, this one in now Chamoli district. The southern downpour triggered flash floods in Tharali town, causing widespread damage. 2 people have gone missing amid this chaos. Debris swept through homes, markets and even official buildings. The Tharali-Gwaldam road is badly affected. Vehicles which were parked in the Tehsil complex also buried under the muck, while streets in the town turned into ponds with the sheer force of water and debris. Rescue teams are on the ground trying to bring the situation under control.